Hey guys, I'm Marty Geek. In this video, I have a hands-on look of two cases that I got for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. And these cases, I got it from Amazon, so I'll leave links in my descriptions just in case you're interested in these cases. These cases are not that expensive when it comes for the Z Fold. And if you're looking for an alternative for your pen, because the one that I have, right, I show you guys a video of this already. This is the case that comes with the Z with the pen, but the problem is that with the pen, I haven't been using it. This case is because it makes the phone too wide, and I just don't like how it feels in my pocket with this case on. I just really don't like it. What I like about this case, when I saw the video, pictures on Amazon, is that it keeps the same width of the phone, and it barely gets any thicker by just putting the pen right here, and it holds it pretty tight. Of course, this is leather, and it also comes in different colors as well. You have the camera cutout there. You also have a kickstand, which you're not gonna get on the case that comes with the pen, which is awesome because you can use it like this, or when you are using it full screen, you go ahead and open it up. Okay, you could just use it like that, and have an awesome angle. And the kickstand is actually pretty sturdy, pretty hard, pretty strong and sturdy, which is awesome for watching videos. And of course, it's not that expensive. It goes for around $26 or $27. To take it out is very easy. I didn't do an proper unboxing of this because the unboxing is very generic. So I got the silver color for those that haven't seen my prior videos. And this is it. This is how it comes. Of course, it comes without the pen. Don't expect the pen to come here. But this is how it comes. It comes in two pieces, just like almost every Z Fold case. Like I said, this is very cool leather. And it also comes in different colors, and a whole bunch of other different colors here. I chose this one because I just like the way it actually looks. Has very nice stitching there. And of course, when you get this for the first time, this is going to be very tight. So I had to actually make it a little bit loose by inserting it this way instead of this way, because I don't want to mess up the little point here. So the first time I actually force it to go through it this way, that way it can actually get a little bit easier the next time I put it in. But it works perfectly awesome. So when you want to put it back, it just snaps in. I like that it has the big opening for the camera there. Just snaps in like that. And over here, I was surprised that this one over here didn't have the little sticky portion over here, because most of these cases, when it comes to this part right here that goes over the screen cover, most of them have like like a sticky portion on this side. But I was surprised that it actually didn't come sticky on this side. It just comes out like that, and that's it. So there you have it. So of course, like I said, this goes for around $26 on Amazon, but it really depends on the buyer you get it from. So I'll leave links in the description for that. And this one right here, I really want to make a video for it. It comes in this boxing, it comes with this box right here, very simple looking. And this also comes in a whole bunch of different colors and different patterns. And one thing to keep in mind, when I purchased this, I did not properly read the description of the case, because when you look at this, right, you look at this right here on the photo, on the photos on the Amazon, right, or here, this looks like leather, right, because it has like pattern. It has like a leather pattern. So I actually thought it was leather, and I actually thought it was like painted over that leather, and no, it was not. This is basically plastic, making it look like leather. So just keep that in mind. When I received it, I was a little bit disappointed because I thought it was actually leather, and no, it wasn't. So this sticks like this, goes up like that. That has the little perfect holes for the camera there. And of course, this one actually did have the sticky portion. So you're going to take a sticky out, and then it's going to probably stick to your cover. But once you take it off and out, it doesn't really matter. That's for the first time. Just going to wipe this here a little bit. There you go. Open it up, and that's how it actually looks. I love the color. I love the pattern. That's why I got it, because it looks like the expensive version of the Z Fold that has, I forgot the brand of it, but it has the like these lines right there. And I just decided to go ahead and get it. When it comes to the kickstand, it has the same kickstand as the other case. You know, very strong kickstand, which you could use it like that, or to use your phone like that and won't play video games, or either watch some YouTube videos on Netflix, which looks awesome on this freaking beautiful screen. And that's it. So the kickstand is very cool. I love the pattern, but like I said, keep in mind this goes for $29, which was actually more expensive than this one. This one cost me like around $26. This cost me $29.99, $30. I actually like the way it looks. I think it makes the Z Fold actually looks pretty nice and elegant. And like I said, it also comes in different colors, different patterns. Without the pattern, if you don't like the pattern but you like the kickstand, it comes like that. But you know, like I said, I'll leave links in my descriptions just in case you're interested in one of these two cases. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Just wanted to make this video because, you know, like I said, I was confused when I bought this one. You might get confused as well. And you know, this one is a very cool alternative for holding the pen case that holds the pen to the other one, which for me, I like this one way better than the one original that comes from Samsung that holds the pen. So let me know what you think about these cases in the comments, and if you have other alternatives you want to recommend, also leave it in the comments as well. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Till next time.